Hello darlings, welcome to my channel. This is Vicky Vane Makeup Tutorials. Before we begin, I would like to quickly invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And now I hope you enjoyed this red, white and blue makeup tutorial. Let's go and watch the video. Let's begin. This makeup was inspired on this picture, which is on the cover of Fall Out Boy's album American Beauty, American Psycho. Start by using our white pencil and sticky note paper and placing it in the middle of the forehead to create a nice straight line to divide where we want to place our flag. For the stars, I created my own stencil using this little cardboard. Then I cut out one of the stars and used a white pencil to start tracing each individual star exactly what I wanted them to be. To fill in my stars, I used my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and to make them sparkle, I used the LA Color Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in the color Snow White. For the blue paint, I'm using this Airbrush Face and Body Paint by Custom Body Art in the color Navy Blue. I'm using my Morphe 350 palette. This palette, you guys, have no name, so I'm using this beautiful neutral color right here, which is going to work as my transitional color, and I'm going to apply it by using my Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty brush. I'm using small circular as well as swiping motions back and forth to make sure that this gets applied nice and even. Using my Morphe M330 brush, I'm applying a darker color shade. This time I am concentrating on my inner outer corner of the eye to make sure I'm adding some more definition to this beautiful eye makeup look. Using this beautiful champagne color from the same Morphe palette, I'm going to pack it all over my eyelid. And with the same Morphe brush, I'm gonna blend these two beautiful colors together. I wanted some more white, you guys, so I decided to want to use my NYX Jumbo pencil in my waterline and just moving it just a little bit halfway my eye. Now for shimmer, I added some more of the beautiful Snow White shimmering loose powder that I use over my stars inside of my inner corner. Now dusting out any makeup fallout before I move on to the wing. For this, I am going to apply some tape on my outer corners because this application can get a little tricky. To create my wings, I decided to go back and use my Airbrush Face and Body Paint in the color Navy Blue, the same one that I used over my forehead. Using this tape technique is amazing, you guys, because it's total mistake proof. To add a little bit of pop of color, I'm using my Nyx Primal Colors in the color Hot Red, and I'm applying this in the center of my lower lash, moving this slowly towards my wing. And then with a clean brush, I'm going to make sure I blend in together the white and the red to avoid any harsh lines, and do the same, of course, on the other side of the eye. Now curling my lashes before applying a couple of coats of mascara on my top and lower lashes. And to add some more intensity, I decided to apply some of my Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Perversion on the top and lower waterlines. I'm doing this by using a brush, you guys. Now to complete this look, I'm applying the Spooky Lashes Fright Night by Ardell, which adds the perfect glam for this look. Now moving on to contour, my forehead, hollows on my cheeks, my jawbone, and of course I'm going to be contouring my nose. Moving on to highlights, I'm going to be applying the color Eclipse from my Aurora Glow Kit Anastasia Beverly Hills to highlight the high points of my face, starting on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my cupid bow. For blush, I decided to use my Tarte in the color Party, which adds the perfect blush on my cheeks. Now on lips, I am going to be using my Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Beso Shimmer. This is a pretty shimmery color, you guys, which is going to add a nice brightness to it. But then I decided to add some more of the Snow White in the center of my lips. I am going to finish drying the line in the center of my line using the same Finest Special Effects brush, and then filling in the line with a more flatter brush. It's like a precise one stroke, single stroke movement, and I can tell you I enjoy using this paint because it's not messy, it's not drippy, and it dries really nice. Now using a wipey makeup remover to clean any harsh lines, this makeup is complete. Well darlings, we have got to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this red, white and blue makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and share this video with any of your makeup lover friends. Sending you lots of virtual hugs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.